அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். BeFit Forever. Today is day 9th of 21 day abdomen exercise. There is a little bit change in my abdomen. I hope you would also will see this change at least. Let us see how we are going to perform by the end of 21st day. So today also 15 workouts. Each minute 45 seconds workout, 15 second rest. Everything is based on abdomen area only. That's why instead of standing and say BeFit, kneel down and saying BeFit. Okay, in 15 seconds we will start our workout. First one, scissor kicks. So cross. Okay, when you do it, make sure you lift your head up. 3, 2, 1, start. I have to do it very slowly. Okay, today throughout the session I'll be talking to you personally. Don't give up, do it very slowly. Feel the abdomen, hold for a second and then release, hold for a side and then release. 30 seconds over. Next one is pendulum swings. So 3, 2, 1, start. Pendulum swing is, make sure your hand is T-like. In this way it will be better. So I am showing this. Then you have to lie down this way. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. It is not a viper, it is a pendulum. So go to that extreme and come back to that extreme. Your hand must be like T. In feet also, join together and both the legs go along with, try to have a T. Okay, do it controlled. Little bit tough, but you can do it. You can very well do it. I hope everybody doing. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Next one, hip lift plus alternate leg drop. Hip lift, come back, crunch position, alternate leg drop. 3, 2, 1, go. Lift, come back to crunch position, leg drop, then lift, crunch position, one leg drop, another leg drop, bring it up, go to the crunch, one leg drop, another leg drop, come back, hip lift. Yeah. Now you have finished 30 seconds, 15 seconds more, one drop, another drop. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Next, body weight crunches. So try to utilize your weight and then do the crunch. Okay, utilize it. 3, 2, 1, go. When you go very slowly back. Body weight crunch. Yes. Next one is leg raises. You have to keep the leg straight from the bottom, raise up to 90 degree and then bring it back without touching the ground. Okay, 30 seconds over. Body weight crunches. Do it. Feel the abdomen. Feel the abdomen. 3, 2, 1, stop. Next, as I said, leg raises. Okay, lie down. From here, raise the leg and then slowly come back. 3, 2, 1, go. Today is day 9. Almost we are half of through in 21 days. 10 and a half is a half. So 9th day, closing to half of the journey. Don't give up. See the good result after the 21 day. "30 seconds up. Only 10 plus seconds. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Next one. After leg raise. Reverse crunch plus flutter 3. Reverse crunch. Flutter means like this. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Reverse. Then straight. 1, 2, 3. Then reverse crunch. 1, 2, 3. Reverse crunch. 1, 2, 3. This combination is tough. 1, 2, 3. Reverse crunch. 1, 2, 3. Don't give up. Reverse crunch. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you're great. Then plank hip twist. Elbow plank, you have to dip your hip here and there. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Hip twist. Somebody will say hip dip also. Name doesn't matter. You have to work hard. Tire குறையணும், குறைஞ்சே தீரணும். நம்ம பண்ணாம வேற யார் பண்ணுவா? Do it. Blanket twist. Last 5 seconds, guys. Don't give up. 3, 2, 1. Next one, starfish plank. High plank தான். காலை இங்கே வச்சுக்கிறோம், இங்கே வச்சுக்கிறோம், கையை அகலமாக வச்சுக்கிறோம். அதுதான் starfish crunch. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. கை முடிஞ்சா முன்னாடி விரிச்சு, கால் பின்னாடி விரிச்சு. Distance between floor and chest எவ்வளோ கம்மியாக வைக்க முடியுமோ அவ்வளோ கம்மியாக வைங்க. இதுதான் starfish plank. 30 seconds. If it is tough, arrange accordingly so that you don't give up. Last 5 seconds, guys. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. There. Single leg drop. From the 90, single leg drop. Okay. Do it easy. 3, 2, 1. Bring it up directly straight. Don't touch the ground. Close to the ground and bring it up. Come up. Hold it tight. Yes. See the foot to which level it go. Don't touch the ground by the foot. Yeah. Crunch. Feel the crunch. Beautiful. 30 seconds over. Yes, time is up. Good. Single leg drop. Then single leg bicycle right side. Okay. So bring the left leg up. Right leg also a little bit up. Yes. Go back. Come up. Go back. If you feel uncomfortable, tough, rest. Okay, otherwise you lift. This is quite easy. If you lift your right leg up, it is quite tough. Try for some time. Yes. Last 10 seconds, guys. Last 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Then the same thing. Left side. Left side oblique. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Yeah. செம்ம ஒர்க் அவுட் இது. கால் தூக்கணும் முடியலன்னா லெஃப்டில் கீழே வச்சுட்டு பேசிக்கல் மட்டும் பண்ணுங்கள். செம்ம ஒர்க் அவுட். ஃபீலிங் டயர் பகுதி இடுப்பு பகுதியில் செம்மையாக. லாஸ்ட் 10 seconds. நான் விட போகிறதில்ல. ஐ எம் நாட் கிவிங் அப். எஸ், கம் ஆன். எஸ். 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Next one. Elevated knee in and out. Elevated position க்கு வந்துருங்க. நீயே இழுத்து 3, 2, 1. Yes. In, out. In, out. In, out. Super guys. 30 seconds over now. Three, 2, 1. Stop. Next, Russian twist. Next one, Russian twist. Okay. It is a challenge. Don't give up. அப்போ கீழே காலை வச்சிடாதீங்க. Last second. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Next one, reverse crunch மட்டும். Okay. Three, 2, 1. லாஸ்ட் ஒன் எல்போ பிளாங்க். இதுக்கப்புறம் அவ்வளோதான், முடிச்சிட்டோம். டோன்ட் கிவ் அப். ரிவர்ஸ் கிரன்ச். 30 seconds over. Just 15 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. அடுத்து எல்போ பிளாங்கோட நம்ம செட்டை முடிக்கிறோம். வாங்க மக்களே, டோன்ட் கிவ் அப். 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. feel the crunch. Almost over. "30 seconds up, just 15 more seconds. Last round, 15 minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You guys are great. We have done. Thank you so much. We'll see you in another episode. Tomorrow is going to be exclusively for thigh workout. Low handle workout in Solvanga. Let us do it. Until then, it's bye from Umar Farook. See you. Be fit forever.